In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Wise in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Wise or you've been using it for some time, connecting your bank account is an essential step for transferring and managing your funds effectively. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you are accustomed to using. In the search bar, type in Wise and hit Enter. Your search results should display a list of websites. You want to look for the official Wise website, so find the result with the URL wise.com. For the most reliable experience, this is usually the first link that appears. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Wise homepage. Once you've arrived on the Wise homepage, your next step is to look for the Login button. You'll typically find this option in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen, where you will need to enter your credentials. Type in your email or username along with your password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you might have to provide a verification code, so keep an eye on your mobile device or email for that code. After successfully logging into your account, navigate to your profile, which you can find in the top corner of the page. Once you're inside your profile, you'll notice various settings and options available to you. Here, you want to select the option labeled Payment Methods. This is where you can manage the different ways you want to send and receive money through Wise. In the Payment Methods section, you'll be looking for the option to manage bank accounts. Look for the text that reads Connected Bank Accounts and click on it. This will lead you to a section where you can view your existing connected accounts, if you have any. To add a new bank account, locate and click on the button labeled Connect Your Bank Account. Once you've done this, Wise will guide you through a series of on-screen instructions. Be sure to follow these steps closely for a seamless connection. This process typically involves verifying your bank details and, in some cases, confirming small deposits made by Wise to ensure everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully connected your bank account to Wise, allowing you to manage your transactions more efficiently. Be sure to double-check everything for accuracy, and you're all set. Thanks for tuning in, and happy transferring.